Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to download Threads app on your Android device. First of all, you should open Play Store on your Android. In the search bar, type Threads and hit the enter. The first option is Threads and Instagram app, which is the official one, so click on the install. The download is started, so you should wait until it completes. Here you can see the installation is now completed. So there is the open button, which lets you open the app directly from the Play Store. So you can click on the open. This is the home page of the Threads app. So now you can log into your Threads using your Instagram credential. For this, you need to be logged in with your Instagram account, or you can create one if you need to. So I click on the login. You can choose if you want to send the notification. Now you're logged into your Threads app.